Would you believe that this upside down design have been sold more than 1000 times? The design itself is not making sense for you, but the customers knows exactly what he's buying. These upside down designs sell on various niches and have low competition because let's be real, you probably never come across this type of niches when doing your niche research. Anyway, today you will learn how to find this upside down niches and how to design for them. Now it's kinda tricky to find these niches cause they are upside down. Using normal keywords will not make you find them. So I'll tell ChatGPT to give me what should I search if I want t-shirts with upside down text, like the text is flipped. So here we got 4 different results. Let's ask him now to give me 10 more results. And this will work. Let's start with opposite text t-shirts. I searched it on Amazon and now the search began. Obviously you will get niches with opposite included. We're not looking for those. We want something like this. So open it and copy the niche, my backward day shirt. To check out the competition, here is 300 results. Very low competition and the sales are just fine. A lot of shirts are selling with reviews as well. That's an untapped niche, and apparently my backward day is an actual thing. I googled it and it happened on 31 January. Definitely worth it to make a couple designs in this niche. Now let's use upside down slogan t-shirts and let's remove slogan and keep it shirt. And you'll get over 3000 results and start to research. Let's see this. Sharing is caring, pineapple design. There is 2000 results in this niche. The sales are not the best for this amount of results, but a design idea here I see no one is doing is flipping the text as well. Everyone is flipping the pineapple and leaving the text default, so why not flip both the pineapple and the text? That is definitely a way to stand out. Let's scroll down to find something else. What about this? Is my cart okay? I will just copy the niche from here. It's a sponsored shirt, so I won't cost him a click. Let's open this other shirt and paste the niche in the search bar. Alright, 600 results and the BSRs are good with good reviews as well. That's a solid niche. Let's open next this down for shenanigans design. So this have 1600 results. This is a St. Patrick's Day related niche. It was on 17th of March, but still the sales are decent. This is working as an evergreen niche as well. Even though there is over 1000 results, I didn't see anyone flip the text as well. Only the pineapple is flipped. So flipping the text is good to stand out here. Now you could keep going from page to page to find these upside down ideas, or you can even use Google if you want. I searched t-shirt with upside down text, so you'll get every t-shirt related from all the platforms, Amazon, and this is Cafe Press, Redbubble here, and TeePublic, and much more results. Let's click this one. It's an Amazon design. I will type in the niche in the search bar. Alright, there is 2 designs that are selling, and now the next step from here is pretty unique. You want to search for the general keyword of this niche, so it's rock climbing. You want to copy it and paste it in the search bar. The plan is to target the niches that are usually hobbies that make sense for the flip designs like this rock climbing, and take the winning niches and flip the designs upside down to be the only unique person in those niches with a flip design. For this rock climbing, let's check out this. I climb walls and I know things. Now here all the designs are normal. If you come here with the upside down idea, even a simple text based design will stand out. To get more ideas of the niches that work as upside down designs, go to Google again and take any niche. Could be this one about a gymnast, and I'll go look for gymnast shirt to see what are the selling niches look like. For example here, why walk when you can cartwheel? Over 300 sales past month. That's over $1000 with only one shirt. And if you focus more on this sub niche, you will find out that the upside down design style is just perfect in this scenario. Let's see another design. Warning, I may flip out. So here I'm checking the results and I found another keyword for this style, which is cheerleading, another hobby, same with gymnast. Check out the designs that are selling good and make an upside down design. This eat, sleep, cheer, repeat. I'm thinking of only making the word cheer upside down, not the whole niche. For more ideas, you could go to Pinterest and type in something like upside down text shirt. You'll get more different ideas, and be careful of Stranger Things niches. You will come across them when looking for upside down. For the design, let's go with the niche eat, sleep, cheer, repeat. But before we design, if you want to receive 10 winning niches every Monday for free, make sure to join the newsletter in description. Now, as I said, I want to only make cheer upside down, not the full niche. So first I'll add the text and change its color to white and scale it up and type in eat. Here is the font list. There is multiple fonts you can choose from. I'll pick this one. Now duplicate the text and type in sleep like this. Duplicate again and type in cheer, and one more time time and type in repeat. To flip the word cheer, you will find this little rotate icon. Use it until you see 180 degrees right here. I'll change the color to pink. We're targeting girls with this niche, so pink is their favorite color. I will remove the dots, it will look better that way. Oh, we need to change sleep to repeat here, my bad. Anyway, I'm thinking of a cheerleader graphic. I'll use Kettle AI for this. The prompt make it simple, something like cheerleader silhouette, and choose the silhouette style. Oh, let's add a girl in the prompt and click generate. Alright, we got this result. First, change its color to white, and I'm thinking to place it right here. Yes, it's looking just fine. By the way, check out my last video where I talk about the definition type of niches, another untapped print-on-demand niche you're not taking advantage of.